guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Happy new year to you all. Welcome back to another year of creating content. For those who are new to this channel, my name is Chebet. Thank you so much for clicking this video and kindly subscribe down below. And so on today's video, I'll be decorating this TV stand. As you can see, it's not decorated in any way, and so I'll be decorating this TV stand using DIY decorations. So stay tuned and I'll take you through all the decorations that I did. As you can see here, the decorations. So stay tuned and let's get onto this video. First of all, the materials that we are going to use today, I'm going to use these broomsticks. I hope you've seen this. Yeah, I hope you've seen this. And then secondly, I'm going to use these wine bottles or used wine bottles. Yeah, I hope you can get this anywhere. And third, I'm going to use a spray paint. That's the golden one, the gold spray paint. And the next thing that you're going to use is a scissor and a black tape. And lastly, the other thing that you're going to use, I'm going to use this. Actually, I don't know what this is called, but it's used to protect TVs, hoofers. I guess you've seen this. So I'm going to use all this. Let's get onto this video. And so the first step that you're going to do is that you're going to prepare your bottles by getting rid of the stickers. As you can see, I'm having lots of bottles here, and so you're going to use baking powder or baking soda if you don't have baking powder, and then you're going to add vinegar. Yeah, you're going to add vinegar to the water that you're going to, and then soak the bottles in water, then leave it for some time. Later on, get rid of the stickers and your bottles will be ready for use. Yeah. And so for the first two sets of bottles, I'm simply going to spray the bottles, then place inside the brooms. And for the second set of bottles, I'm going to make them in a spiral way, which I'll be going to show you. So let's get to this first set of bottles in which I'm already spraying them. So keep watching this video. Kindly subscribe down below if you have not subscribed. Like this video. Give this video a like so that we can reach more people, and share this video with your friends if you find it useful. And stay tuned and keep watching, and let's see how we progress with this decoration. And we are also going to use wood glue. As you can see, the glue is here. So apply the glue all over the broomstick as I'm doing. And then after doing that, you're going to dip the broomstick inside the white particles. Actually, I don't know the name of this thing, how it's called. But you're going to dip the broomstick inside the white particles. And let's do this and you will see how we progress. And finally, this is what we have. Let your decorations to dry out in the sun for some time. And so let's get on to the second two sets of bottles. As you can see, I've tied the black tape around the bottle in a spiral way. It's so easy, by the way. It's so easy. You can do this at home. You can do this by yourself. It's so easy. Spray the whole bottle till the black tape is covered. I mean, spray the whole bottle as I'm doing. It's so easy, by the way. You can try this at home. Yeah, you can try this on your own to decorate your houses, yeah, and all that. So keep spraying the bottle as I'm doing, and kindly subscribe down below if you've not subscribed. Give this video a like. I mean, like this video, and you can share it with your friends if you find it useful. Yeah, yeah. And so the next thing that you're going to do after the bottle has dried, you're going to remove the tape that you had tied in a spiral way, is I'm doing, right? Remove the tape from the bottle, and let's see the final look of this bottle. And finally, this is what we have for the spiral bottle. It looks so good, by the way. You can comment down below on what you think about this video, on what you think about the decorations. Comment down below on what you think. And yeah, these are the bottles, as you can see. Let them out to dry, and finally we are going to decorate the house. Yeah, here is the TV stand. And for the natural flowers, actually this one we bought them. I did not make this by myself. In case in case you are around Nairobi and you need to buy these flowers, you can comment down below and I can direct you to the place where we bought this. Yeah, yeah. And also kindly follow me on Instagram at Chebi Creations, at Chebi_creations. Here's the name. I'm going to write it here, and I'll also leave a link down below on the description box so that you can follow me on Instagram. Yeah, yeah. And that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you so much for watching till here. Kindly subscribe down below if you have not subscribed. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below on what you think about this video. Yeah, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and let's meet on my next video. Bye.